Good afternoon, everyone. My fathers, I greet you all. My brothers and sisters. First of all, I want to follow the path of Joy, I think, where she introduced herself. I want to say that I am of mixed parentage. My mother is British. My father is an Ijaw man from the Niger Delta, which is in Nigeria, in that order. Therefore, I align myself with my father. I am honored enough to be able to say that I remember pre-independence. I also remember the Biafran War, and I also very much remember the Niger Delta agitation, and we're now in the Boko Haram agitation. I want to stand on the first national anthem, which is really where my heart is. And there is one particular line that I hold on to. And it says, though tongues and tribes may differ, in brotherhood we stand. That is the Nigeria that I know. That is the Nigeria that I continue to belong to. That is the Nigeria that I respect. That is the Nigeria that I hope will stay together. But I am also not going to misinform anyone. I will not and do not intend to sacrifice who I am, which is an Ijaw person, and my region, which is Niger Delta, for the sake of Nigeria. Because nobody else is prepared to sacrifice their region for my people. We all, together, must form and rebuild a Nigeria that is equal, irrespective of number of where you come from. I do not want to deceive myself, and I will not be deceived, to think that because I am a Nigerian, that therefore I will deny my ethnicity. We are different people that make up this country, and we should be proud of that difference, and we should enhance that difference, and not use that difference to manipulate others. Alabo here has said what happened during the Niger Delta crisis. I want to be on record to say, and I have said it before, that what Nigeria is calling today peace in the Niger Delta is a peace that belongs to fool. I am not part of that. Because if nothing changes, we will go back and find ourselves in the same position where the output of oil was reduced to 700,000 barrels. The late Yaradua did not resolve or attempt to resolve the Niger Delta crisis because of his love for Niger Delta people. He resolved it because Nigeria needs the oil that is coming from the Niger Delta. We must put together a Nigeria that brings together all the resources that belongs to all Nigerians from all the 36 states. I am highly offended, my elders, when I hear people say our oil. How is the devastation not our devastation? How is the pollution of our land not our pollution? How is the killing of my people not our killing? And we're told that it is one Nigeria. We want it to be one Nigeria. I want it to be one Nigeria. My father, as I said, is a Nigerian. But I will not sacrifice my people for the sake of Nigeria. There is resources in every single state that is in this country. And therefore, it is about time that we sit down and bring everything to the table. I am highly offended by the comment of Sanusi that people are killing their fellow human beings because of derivation. If we're sharing derivation, what is it that he, Sanusi, what is in his state? What is he bringing to Nigeria? 9 states, including Lagos, because it is the commercial heart of Nigeria, is contributing to the wealth and distribution of wealth of this Nigeria. I therefore say again that 27 states in this country and their governors are lazy. They should look for what to do, how to develop their state, how to invest in their state. Let everybody bring what they have. Let all of us share it. I thank you.
Yes, thank you.